Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to fix the Netflix black screen issue. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Tech Helpline, and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Sometimes Netflix servers might be down and cause the black screen, so you must check if Netflix is having issues. To do so, open the web browser on a device and go to downdetector.com. This site helps detect problems on the services you use, so search for Netflix. On this page, you will see a server down message if Netflix is having issues. If there is no issue with Netflix service, you must check your internet connection. To do so, go to fast.com. If your internet speed is above 5 MB per second, your internet is not the cause for the black screen. The last method to resolve the issue is to reset Netflix. Press and hold the Netflix app icon and tap the info icon. You will be taken to the app info page for Netflix. Here, tap Force Stop. And on the pop-up, tap OK. Then, tap Storage. And tap Clear Cache. And Clear Data. Also, on the pop-up, tap OK. Finally, restart your device and check if the black screen is fixed. So that's how you fix the Netflix black screen issue. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.